So let's say you've decided to up your game and create your own YouTube channel and upload videos for it, either for general consumption or just to use in your own class. And you want to curate groups of videos into playlists so that they're easily accessible and students can view them in succession if they need to. So go to your channel's homepage, look for the blue button that says Manage Videos. Right? Click on Manage Videos. It will take you to a screen that shows all of your videos. On the left of that screen in the menu, look for Playlists and click on Playlists. This will show you a list of all the playlists that you have created of your own videos. All right, so let's say you want to create a new playlist. Go back to the upper right-hand corner, click New Playlist. Give your playlist a title. Set the visibility, public, private, or unlisted. And then create. All right. So let's see, where did my playlist go? Now, when you're finding videos, all right, so let's go back to videos. And you want to add a video to a playlist. Select the video or videos, add to playlist. All right, and now it's been saved to that playlist. So you can add multiple videos to your playlist. If you are done with a playlist or you just want to get rid of it, go to your playlists, find it, click on Edit, the little pencil icon. And then in this little 3-dot menu, you can delete the playlist. And that is how you can create and delete playlists on your YouTube channel.